wankeka ne ho nsɛm bi ho de ene wo wi obesi ama wansasi ne hu de wi abere wanso nkruma doctor osan ya wadu twom de futu akode ama mabunu wo mon kasayem fa amanyosem ensoso enhom sada ene maame no edi dwa ne papa no ewo je na adwosio ewo kwada so wo mon so ani abere pa na ketia adwadifo nso se wo mon kane ayedum no wo mon beti agu montreso na wo ma ye kire wode subu obo na amadoku ya ginemu ewo kan kwe north eprimara chebedwa akonya na maame ibone bai eno waye ara usem ne amumu yesem bi akoso ye kum obi de na se botom akosi asori bi aboboa no kase boimu wobetse anopai upesma kafo ye me wahini ni ama kranchada zo usofu mami premei ni asantimai ajemi atumu ama midi fufuro wo bapa amesa kase boni cheche mu ankasa enie wapem so na se tsoa bebie o otumfo nyame kase envisia aduonu num ya wo hye ehunfa enya sam ketu akora na mso planning committee wom de hye de egu akwa mfire prebusu de to so aduonu mienu kopem na aduonu sia ne adwomto ene ade nyina danso ebekoso ni sayo nti ukuada be ya ukude pem so be trase no waje ahoho na nanom ayemfo empo abibire matoya ewura num ne ani ntini won ma ya no drubu mu twetwe wuro ene pa biankoma eku no mo de omani mo so aba chia no na na pani ko hwe na nanom ahema afo keka wonu bomu nu anuane awodo asante aduane ya ene ye je die frifufuo kopema kaw mampo ateche no na enya asem kwetu akra ye na kumasi race course bantama so amidwom hema na chewa oni sentwefo twetwe nkomo chichiri mu
Sani mana ye jaya tete aduane na ye die no akofa aba fo die fried rice woni ni kunu akotna ho na wo we fried rice eyale kwa wo de o wi guni eti ese ya mana se ene tete aduane omunsia no nya bi na o mama lie en so pe menkendi so asante atume omo wa me ewo bukasi eya atia bukasi bra me kai o beka se bukasi ne dia bukasi ya ejare ene ya the kitchen ene ya man kwa ni ba bi e friend se bukasi e ti se na ya kwa ya mami ko ya si die ya wura dia o ya ti ene be ma ya mana ti asante amamla no ase bukasi ya ejare ene ya kitchen bio na ya wi ni aka won se akọ ma no bukasi ya mo china
na chewa wie ye pen opim so na se to ababi o se tutu body vade wono so edene de eto aso bona nanom ahime ya baso papa sade wo maye no efi
zon so na ye we ka woti ma dey amaye ko fo ni yara ye ma no kwan ni mo mo bi lobo amagana mai akoso o se na so ni nyuma amani mo nyaro Lama pain na mano sabi enu kasi lama na sabi pagiro lang uso bom kasi ngayon ay sabi na mama mai na ada na niya sa sade ay da pama yin nara ito wala say sorry na titi niya na yin no ya ba ba me kasi na ano so ni hu titi let's check more asaba ama na kula ba na elu wọ́n ṣe ti sílẹ̀ àtàtúrò tìrẹ̀. ṣèyànà nípa ẹ̀ka yìí ní fana náà ní máa ẹ̀dẹ̀ ihò tó bọ́ sí ìdìnnà púpọ̀ nàmúkùnà ẹ̀dẹ̀ bí ní a máa sì.
náà kyerɛ sɛ wɔhene kasa pɛ na kentenkrechi so atsom na wato de ama ɔma no akyesɛ no kwasɛm ni na ɛfɛ yie tete obi ka tete obi kyerɛ asante nso obi abusuafoɔ yɛnkɔ yɛnim College of Education Teachers Association sitagfoɔ ɛna wɔn bɔ ntrɛhe sɛ wɔn nneɛma bi ɛsɛ sɛ aban no ɛyɛ de ma wɔnom ɛyɛ National Labour Commission foɔ nso ka ho bi abitra ɛyɛ awɔ so ɛne nneɛma ahodoɔ bebree ate akam nyade ayɛyɛ de ama wɔnom Dr. Prince Obihime na ɛyɛ wɔnom president to friends and children share mu area to one manimu said the year kikan saban chim ye vita du kudia and maybe so many that to the asaba kunu no dru dia enye papa kura na o si fair wages and salary commission ka ho sada na pedia so ye enso wo mo efre wonum wo mo fra Ghana mampani na adan kwa kufado emra hye bedwafie chiame wo meyite mboafo pani National Peace Council chairman said domo wo mo from the nsem ni gu wo manimu ne de enya sam keto akura yenti owura Prince Obeheme
2023 at the ruling people of Wantiana award out of the by after listening to us. Now, Social Article Section 164, subsection 4 of the Labour Act. As Obia Cates of the National Labour Commission, Edo Seba Wantia, a deep Nipan, you know, I could be in a new Nimina. At the end of the Namaka, call it off your strike. No, it is unraised to call it off the strike. Now, Labour Commission, they are shading so to a binding and call for so. Eddie Kawaka Edita fund the about 2 years in Sawama aye Lonko Juma afimuni now abroad manko Juma Huma. If you demanded for Mpatajisika. I was a necessary Chiabosume Bako Akachama teacher for na yes Jumano Ebino. And no Yanye. Let us mean as a staff for the Tauya wait me dinner so I can teach a new qualification really crown. We have to see at the Netuhano. But what they also be no by 31st I think July or so. Now Sabe I wait me every Ubienswa. Fine for free January 2023 and also American was in Yenye. After the council can say teacher for no crown can be unnecessary chia ma or no book a research around top up the and also come and ye. It is also some Labour Commission out the directors out now almost 1 year a buying comply no again. But the queer crack around is the time you call strike no a buying CV and salary now strike in try no minister no at the set to the conference so restore salary no.
Oswafo ya ojine mu ma nwomesua doctor say ya wadutwum na otwawie ye ode afutuo e de akode amemabunu fa e ya amanyosem nkasa ho so eho 16 congregation e de masunyane technical university na asem no okasa ho say technical and professional skills training solution to the high rate of youth unemployment in Ghana enumu enasa enipai apem Hawoche edusia emiensa ya wonu age Bachelor of Technology and afe higher national diploma HND eni nuanoma ekeka ka ho nyina da emu apem eni eduokron eye mema na hanso eduoso mienza enso eye ema Dr. Zeya waduchum de futu emu ode pa edi amawo
to develop our nation and to ensure that our generation will be the generation that transform the fortunes of this country. I believe the better days of Ghana is ahead of us and not behind us. I don't believe in the slash and burn politics. The politics that says I want to make sure my opponent, the other party, will look so bad so that voters will not vote for him or vote for them. So that even if I don't do anything, I'll still look good in the eyes of the voters. That is the bane of our society. Politicians should come to us and tell us what they want to do and not what somebody did wrong. We need to change the course of history of this country. So everything I'm showing you through my evidence-based communication is to convince you of one thing, that if we work hard and have hope in this nation, we'll see opportunities, we'll work together, we create a new story, the story of a nation that came together and did better than what the first generation, the second generation of post-independence Ghanaians did. Once upon a time,
I'll say I waduchum and yet in can we yena brumantem swafo ya mami Justina awobana hine sukai bika ho se wo shansa no djuma enwomasu e friend say TV tia na dan kwa kufado we chanto mesine kokoso so de akade beboa papa na no ne beboa ama maburu ne nyadwuma nya me nyadwuma nya no afri honti wo musom.
Face of this challenge lies an opportunity which is a pathway paved for technical and professional skills training. Here in Simian Technical University, we believe and understand the transformative power of education, particularly in equipping our youth with the necessary skills to thrive in the contemporary dynamic job markets. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, as government, our commitment to providing quality technical education remains unwavering, driven by the belief that we can address the scourge of youth unemployment. In view of this, to the graduating class of today, you stand as beacons of hope in a time of uncertainty. Armed with the knowledge and skills acquired during your time here in Simian Technical University, you possess the tools to not only secure gainful employment for yourselves, but also to become agents of change by re-engineering the faculties of the society towards technical and professional education. As you step outside the walls of the Sunyan Technical University, the world is waiting for you for your service to contribute significantly to the socio-economic development of this very country. I urge you to embrace the spirit of innovation and entrepreneurship. Seek out opportunities to apply your knowledge, skills, creativity, and never underestimate the value of hard work and perseverance.
Ya mama Justina obana hene na ye broman temnu mu esoafo ye kokwada so je ne adwosio se ye kase ye mama ne ye papa no me wo mate aprankam ya wo mani abrepa resek no eso ni nyina da eni se baabi a wo muton je ne ye fi atu wonom se wo monko atwema techiman na no no wo se wo moaboa wo nwie eni ya ba betu wo putupru nti wo mani abre na mpanifo nso so wo ntumi ntrase masefu amfo sebe uduru wa se de kase akase free bokina edi je na baba peso ho netumi kofa traffic bebre banche kura maame ba ko a wo fihia aduanan enum ka kun wo ya enu nti wo mon sore na ba bia ye de ama wo mu no wo mon ko date ye de ama wo mo aso wo mo se nya de a wo mo be ko enu ne nam so man panifo so aye san hye na wo mo kasa maafo ya e friend se Kofi Abanga wono so ne yen atwetwe nkomo akirechire mu se bia ya wo mo ko no wo ha wo bebre wo ho enu wo mo wa yesi enyi ye wo mo nka ne ha ne wono so nsema wo bruso no edroso
business aye no yedim say e boa ye nyina na ye nyina so ye Ghanaians na ringna minister kae no ye sema o kan say that most of omo ha na ye foreigners and yes sir because me am jina ho no ye free upper east and ye Ghanaians ye real Ghanaians though ye omo ye gawo for but I cannot confirm say omo ye foreigner because in Ghana say omo Ghana mamua say we are Ghanaian. The most of go for now who are more hano. Most of them no we are Ghanaians because who are more ha. To mean confirm say we are foreigners. The part on a Regna Minister NDC say. You Accra Regna Minister what two in for Accra no. What the Agubrisino, what the Buama Emma Equa ye as I say Emma Mukama and I was like to me Emma Musika say mu kono ba bia mu kono minim say mu besesa mu niema eko nti mu ji 800,000 Ghana cedis na mu ntimi fa mu niema nti amochaw mumma penufo enti otufo enti say ye Nicola on ye pan chaw
e Ghana de mutirimu de ya mu de papa moti ho ka etwa fa mo so ya ma mu date mu nsole kumase no ye nsole yes akran fasika meke ho ye de ekire ye nto akase bo no so e si o ni efri kwada so de ye gbawura ka etia be na kakra ni o na ka etia dwa kase o so mita edwa kase emu ni pampempem a mita ba ko pe ne bo ho no asaje gon e ka no ye se ye de ba no o mate so ye ntua ni nyina ne ateso ye ntua ni nyina ne ateso no ma pale ya na wotu wo ka no wo de no ubusasa Ghana ye nyina mo kire fridge no keti adwom wo no ne sia na eno nam so masabre wo mani abre sesese ya na be ko no de a wo mo beti agumonte so aye ye kire de mu ode papa serki o sei ya wo no keti adwadifo ka ho bi woni Sompa ene twetwe nkomoyi
no demonstration here because last thing I say, if you say peripheral over this cano, if you say Donina or your Kibitia, I will see you know. That's how Jakawa. And if you say, the friend says, Sikana Yutiano, the cat. Into a problem and to my Chaco, ECG. Now, Obama Young say, I dear opportunity of Bobby like me. No one tell a car yet, the problem. I don't know. I know the effect of ECG go finding out because Obia Tiabi, Kajat Yawan Tiabina, Yabatu shopping. Yabatu shopping. It's a new Quakra and Intia, Yabeka. It's also ECG, nobody who Quakra, Yabeka. You won't Quakra, I report Yabeka. Because Kajat, the woman say, when Tia Bea, Yabatu shopping. 6 years and you shop. And you look at dear May, Yabeka, the somebody at you. The attitude from the attitude from say, almost here the car 75 billion. Okay, almost say car you know Kejetia. So Kejetia, what make you Oma 1 year old so up to now already receipt marble. Already receive the show. Eti Oma young actual people. Your parents say yeah, tomorrow. Oma eti nobody may show. Oma young woman kasa. And Karabi Kaka what be a problem I say? You're going to see you. No, Mama, you a quantity of the car. So, you know, you are complaining. And the Jata woman. And now I say, a fire person come by. No, Mama, you problem because it might show a receipt. You need the answer of the same here. Yet, Obia, okay, Tia, will give the piano. Over to my telling the receipt of us, don't be over your baby, chair. And that's why I buy a woody bay, or monkey bay, or woody bay, or woody bay, or woody bay for father. Match day, over the match day, Match day, no more, over money, 2.64. You are what the mammy, no, the memory, no, oh, dear, you say. Yama demonstration is about a meter. I mean, any demonstration be a meter, any demonstration be a your commander, your corridor minister, or your letter go to your letter go to commander. Sing a couple of yards, Juma. Oh, Mama, your quiet demonstration because you're not break. You would see the Yankasa. You're one way, you're okay to be able to be so.
Wey keti adwadifo mpanifo mu baako no wakasem ye kwa nkran eni dinsi amanyokuo youth organizer ya wobo adwuma de ma wo mu ye moso bresen ambroso ena wode sobo edebo aka ne akuapem no ofumra hyebedwani na ma edukua siama ni nyina da eni se wo se okan queen of constituency youth organizer Osman Mamudu maami ama na ya chi no de na kwa akotum a ya chi ni chi hu wo se de na kwa akotwi mo tesano divisional police command Mammy bosso was a brandy, son, so say one me and two aban Ukrainian were kunefrat as a vata so no so one trauma, mammy kuno, 21 me actually move, no, Emoso, Ambroso, blessing, which rich him.
See, what they complain with Hanum say you organize and threaten say and a police for me to suffer and say no umbra. And as Obia or your assemblyman or Burunwa or Jim Rano should by say Etienne complaints I have now you share and crack and a woman say Lupia Churo say you organize and I catch them face to face before the election. But the other allegations in Sema or seeing for catch them says Anna youth organizer. But youth organizer or see what they complain with Hanum say youth organizer and threaten.
Na chirese no achire no ena wura ambroso blessing emoso esade eto aso se abato homa ye ba bebie mu no omanya ne ntie se ye maame na amadoku asi ama beso ni pefre kuapem aba be ye registration ni bia ma no na mi se no enkeka ho ena akwakofa sai chire nyina so de abasanse abrante ya yabo ne kwadu nso osuma amamudu no nyade ya no obetrase se fe ni pabra me registration tie no ntina maame no am ya chire no
and you know, the police for no to tune and we no statements and I'm granting it say Wednesday 10 a.m. in Sompa. And at this stage, you know, it's still at the allegation stage. You do baby was a no be allegation or the evidence the ban. Now you do what so now I didn't know very well say Lupia no ni enye oni yen enti okapenu of a baby neighbor or the MP or baby. Say, and Kagana Marani, Juma, I mean, Yentia, we are MP or baby. Now I junk for now we are now about constituency for us about contest. And I am put here and no point higher because Abraham was city MP Grano power grant. A GC. I say, I am a this on Waba. Of course, every constituency also file a candidate, so it's right for them to file candidate. By a limited registration exercise, that anymore, he is 37. And knowing the youth organizer, how forceful he is when it comes to some of these things. So it's just one of the mischief or conceivers in order to tame him or in order to intimidate.
Yeah, to Akasiabon Sonia ko Afrangwa, yeah, no one fancy my municipality in Fifi Mantemu. Abeto Ja said. abrantie bi a wosusu sɛ ne fie ne aduanan yakum no edna se botom de na kwa akosi Roma Catholic aso da aboboa no na ɛno na kyese nipa dwendwen ho a wɔn ente ase wo kyerɛ mu sɛ eyeye nua bɛ ma Douglas oyiba mposa wɔn mu sɛ bɔtɔ no esi hɔ na obi enim de wɔn kɔpem sɛ pampan bi ɛba na wɔn na wɔn mantam obi mabunu no ɛne wɔn gada momentum ko bi bɔtɔ no no akwabena ne ne hyemu o ya ɛmo afiri na sum ɛne nanum so ɛde ɛba na assemblyman o Afrangwa electoral area alasan isa ɛna wo cheche mu sɛ nipa no mo nim ne mantam wɔ na wɔn susu si akunu baabi ɛna de na ba be so ntia me hu bua pa ɛna atɔ adehye ne so
obi was na shikotokum na was na boto kwan do in fact if akono from my yakasa na mu hu de police car so afa direction or ba ha no so to them is minja ball place no minja won show bi nsa na show me ya den membra na car no police car mu hu de your brother alaji for bofuna na police car so what's kind mo ya nadmu ti ba ya bato police funu ya me police funu wa hana nadmu funu so bay na nadmu funu friend and BNI you know what's up on when a banty the hana fra environmental for there asema isi hani ma it will be for police from Puno Kofa environmental from Obama obeyi obotwa kotokunu before was no share bag no mu no otwa kotokunu na yehu yi na ehu de obeyi na o share top green na down just down top no t-shirt na watch your dupe when you what t-shirt na na mes ma zo letino na de nenyum na nanum no nsan seven sama fimerba nti yenya ntumi ngina ho na on was a bag man you 20 year kwai ma was a body no was akoshe friend then Cape Coast much friend interbeting
Some ya free Afrangwa electoral area and so Fantiman municipality so na mijano pedika se bona bana wiye 21st clinic 15 branches across Ghana Siatica yen eni ekuremu ya yema nipa nso ehunu enunti anopai ni pedua mu twetwewa ya kamfoma branch ne dos bowura baabi ebenwo na koje wayareche 3A co capsules nso eboa emwaye mu team no enso atu afiro kra mizu ene 5G yede topon yede jawade ne yede bi so aye niema asante eboa benedict tresem for pani ya obo adwuma enso ede ma me akoseso mu Elizabeth Tona na nayere ono so betre fidi achi chinchim fruma azoka ne boys wo mu so ginemu ewo MCR ho ebo adwuma kamakama ohini ni amakranchado of mami premier ni sorry amoma hini edubuache ede ade ache bi adwumedi no ato so mama chibi
21st clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nasia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na eno na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu yenti abasobo o magye no wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim hano ebi ni baby a gise 21st clinic nkoa womu de bibidro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a womagidi womu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mo ho 0540311311 0540311311 na say 21st clinic wo mo ye sciatica expert
hey sewa me hu acho me na no me bisa ekra so ko abrochi
Kwaku, afei na mebeko. Menkrata krani.
Hey, eni me ma connection man for den kofo sika adwane ne wanya otu adidi musa no.
Oh, Express Group adarumenti akwantu ayefo. Opese otu kwan kosua de a Express Group do be call mind me to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, and Germany. Say a tour na se visit in so a Express Group do be call Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, and Germany. Mo am pese mo tu kwan koye adwuma nso obetimi de wako Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure secure a good job in the UK. You should make sure Kwai Kumasi as a labor runabout Accra so Omo Carnation First Light Tema Omo Community 18 Lashabi Girl Filling Station. For more how much show for ISO 055-555-0067 and 0249-000448.
If I shop, I'm not sure you're bad.
Brother, and not to him.
What time about Michelle and see about Queen Wayne and say?
Bra, said your time about Mr. Esia Jimmy for and Nadia about ever so.
Really, don't this offering now.
Bra, some because me the time about Mr. Huadancia. We are seeing now about Semenka. It is malaria. Where do any time about Mr.
I know go, dear, and what to want to meet any deal. What do any time about Mr. A drink and your map or bar waffle through. Dear one map for down for any aquada when you fear do you know. And some of the time about Mr. Draybino. She said, walk to hospital and answer loud. I'm what who said, oh, a 3D malaria be answered.
I also time me TIME. Time about Mr. I feel malaria fever be other Ziva a woman. Ever slap. Ubenya be at all ever over the counter medicine sellers. Any herbal shop to do a name. FDA Aji a judging cratoi at all.
To be sure, the year for Yadia Chnabrena or my Dimpa Natural Health Clinic, Kumasi Jamswa. Now, Kassay for Yadia any IRSA. So, what the other peptic, gastric, duodenal ulcer, acid reflux, GERD, and H. pylori, Dimpa Natural Health Clinic, Ayo Kumasi Dichamso. Yana ya specialized ewo ye for Yadia Ejimo, and until Nayanya Abaso body as the best center for the treatment of stomach ulcer cases. Here were a variety of products, both foreign and local health. Say Oyef Yadia no ama oyem no tutu, ama obuano, and ama okoko na eye time. Ama utia oya, den obi owa ne de no esinechi. To say the obi onya accident, and as a bibia koso onechi. Yehwe all chronic cases. Hwehwe Dimpa Natural Health Clinic. Ye wo Dichamso Kumasi Dimpa Natural Health Clinic. Dimpa ayesone ahonya.
Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris Beef's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris Beef's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris Beef's Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris Beef's Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris Beef's Farms hotline 05-444-444-53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris Beef's Chicken.